Let's see the already unboxed MacBook Neo brand new. Why I'm saying is you will find that. So there is no seal. And here we go. The cover was already open because I bought this MacBook Neo on Amazon. It's a open box delivery in my country. The person who delivers the MacBook unboxed my MacBook. So yeah, let's see how it looks. So in the box we have the card thing, charger. It's a 20 watts charger and the cable. It's 1.5 meter length. I think it's similar to our iPad charger. Same, yeah, 20 watts charger, same charger. So I'm not going to use this charger because I already have this 20 watts charger. Two chargers I have, and this pamphlet. Okay, you can see the key points on your MacBook Neo. Very useful. And that's it on the box. You know the stuffs here. 8 gigabytes memory RAM and 256 gigabyte storage, which is SSD, and 13-inch MacBook Neo. I purchased without Touch ID model, and this thing we know. Okay, yeah, actually this MacBook looks so amazing. Maybe it won't capture very good on the mobile, but really looks so good, sleek. So here we have two USB-C ports. I think this is the primary port and this is secondary port, and headphone jack and speaker. This is speaker right side and this is speaker left side, and yeah, this is back. The screws also different keys. Let's open this. Boom, so slick. It's so good. We have a large trackpad here. The keys were so smooth, and a 13-inch retina display. Yeah, that's it. This is how it looks like. I think definitely it's worth for look. We can check the softwares in future videos.